Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to share photos from Redmi A5. So to do this, you have just to swipe up and after that go to Files. In Files, you go to Images. And after that, go to the picture that you want to share, open it, and as you can see, there is share icon that appear on the top right of the screen. Just click on it, and after that, as you can see, there is a lot of options to share your picture. If you want to share it with email or with quick share or with Bluetooth or whatever you want, you have just to choose whatever app or method that you want to share your picture with, and you can share it easily. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.